Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about interest on drawing. My dear student, in the first chapter, chapter number 1, interest on drawing. That is a fundamental of partnership. Interest on drawing, we know that interest on drawing calculation. Here we are going to study about interest on drawing calculation. In this chapter, there are three methods. One, simple method, product method. Third, average period method. Okay. In simple method, my dear student, we first calculate total number of drawing. Simple method, we first calculate total drawing by partner, multiply total drawing of partner, multiply time, multiply rate upon 100. Time we can take 12 months. Okay, whatever the time is given. This is a simple method. Product method. We are going to study about average period method. In average period method, what is average period method? Well, any partner when any partner withdraw equal amount at equal interval of time. Okay, we are going to study about average product method when any partner withdraw equal amount at equal interval of time. For example, Ram withdraw, okay, 1000 rupees at the beginning of each month. Okay, what is total drawing? What is average period? Okay, what is average period? Today we are going to find out. My dear student, in this example, total drawing we are going to calculate. Simple, total drawing is equal to 12 multiply 1000, because is going to withdraw 1000 every month. So total drawing is equal to 12 into 12,000. What is average period, my dear student? Let's see what is the average period. Average means divided by 2. We are going to time left after. We are going to find out average period. Time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing. Okay, time left after first drawing upon plus time left after last drawing upon 2. We are going to calculate average period. Okay. Suppose in this question, Ram dropped on 1st Jan. Okay. 1st Jan. What was the last drawing? On 1st December. Time left after first drawing. It means Ram drew first drawing on 1st January. So what was the time left after 1st January to 31st December? How much time? 12 months. Okay. Time left after first drawing and 1st January to 31st December is equal to 12 months. Okay. So you will put here 12. Time left after last drawing. It is a last drawing when that is 31st December. 31st December to 1st December to 31st December. That is how much? 1 month. Okay, 1 month. That is, you will put it here. 12 plus 1 is equal to 2. How much? 13 by 2. 13 by 2 is equal to 6.5. My dear student, this is our formula which you calculate average period. Average period means calculate time left after first drawing. In this situation, if Ram withdraw on 1st January, from 1st January to 31st December, there is equal to 12 months. That is the time left after first drawing. What was the last drawing? On 1st December. Time left after to last drawing. The last drawing was on 1st December to 31st December. 1 month. That is called 12 plus 1 is equal to 2 divided by 13 by 2 is equal to 6.5. My dear student, how do you solve? Simple. In every question there is a rate is given, interest on drawing. You just put it formula here. Total drawing, time, rate. So in this question, total drawing is equal to 12,000. 13 by 2 multiply 10 by 100. Okay, every time you get a 1200 rupees. So what will happen? 13 by 2 upon, that is called average period. The average period is time. So you put it the 12 also. You put it the 12. It means you just divided by 12. So in this situation, you directly write down 6.5 upon 12. 12,000 multiply 6.5 upon 12, 10 by 100. Whatever the calculation comes. ₹650. Okay. My dear student, you just remember 13 by 2 upon 12. That is called here. Time is equal to how much time? How much time? 6.5. It is divided by 12. You just calculate. It means interest on drawing is this. My dear student. Now we are going to give us some formula, little bit. Okay. So in coming video, I will give you whatever the formula of interest on drawing. Okay. Thank you.